Enkonzweni yomngcwabo wakhe, umndeni kaMontongo unxuse i-ANC ukuthi yenze njengaye ngokusebenzela abantu kunokuthi ibeke phambili izikhundla.
Ngicela ukuthi abantu be-ANC they must learn kuJoli. uJoli bekanganandaba neposition nama-title. uJoli, what he wanted was the betterment of our people. Amen.
Umngane omdala kaMatongo nongunobhala we-ANC esifundazweni uJacob Khawe uthi soloke azana noMatongo kudala. Uthi i-ANC ilahlekelwe ngumuntu obeyikusasa leqembu esifundeni kanye nasesifundazweni.
I see darkness. I know that you want us to be strong and to be okay, but it's not okay. Farewell, my brother. Farewell, my friend. Our paths first crossed in 1988. During all these years since, our lives have been intertwined.
Unobhala we-ANC esifundeni saseGoli uDada Murero uthi umlando wezombusazwe kaMatongo akumele ushabalale.
We will get through this darkness and we will emerge victorious because our Jolly D good fellow is watching over us and protecting us.
Umgcini mafa jikelele we-ANC uthi bambalwa abantu abafana noMatongo ku-ANC.
From a distance, we admired him as he gradually, step by step, rose through the ranks to become a leader in the greater Johannesburg region, the heartbeat of our country's economy. At all times, he remained disciplined. He remained loyal and continues to work hard.
Ongundunankulu waphinde abe uhlalo we-ANC esifundazweni uDavid Makhura uthi uMatongo ubengayingeni izinto zoqhekeka ngaphakathi eqenjini.
Certainly there will be no other Jolly Matongo in Johannesburg. Something that he did so well. If I was to speak to comrades, I watched him in action. Something that he did so well was to straddle and navigate the divisions and factionalism in Johannesburg.
I-ANC isizohlahla indlela eyaphambili ukuthi ngubani osezoba imeya yaseGoli njengoba sekudlule emhlabeni uMatongo obeyimeya yesibili ezinyangeni ezimbili nje eqokiwe. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.